Pest control. Ants are important predators and scavengers, helping control populations of other insects. Soil aeration. Ants contribute to soil health by tunneling and aerating the soil. Seed dispersal. Some ants play a role in seed dispersal, aiding in plant reproduction and ecosystem dynamics. Ecological role. Pest regulation. Ants contribute to natural pest control by preying on insects and scavenging. Soil ecosystems. Ant tunneling improves soil structure, water infiltration, and nutrient cycling. Human interactions. Stinging behavior. Some ant species can sting or bite if provoked, causing discomfort or allergic reactions in sensitive individuals. Research and education. Social behavior studies. Ants' complex social behaviors, communication, and division of labor are subjects of scientific research. Biodiversity education. Studying ants provides insights into the diversity and intricacies of insect communities. Agricultural benefits. Crop protection. Ants' predatory and scavenging behaviors can help control insect pests in agricultural fields. Conservation awareness. Native species. Educating the public about native ant species encourages conservation of local biodiversity. Invasive species concerns. Impact on ecosystems. Invasive ant species, like fire ants, can disrupt local ecosystems and harm native species. In conclusion, Formicida, or ants, exhibit remarkable social behaviors and contribute to ecosystem health through pest control, soil aeration, and more. Their roles in maintaining ecological balance and their impact on both natural and human environments emphasize their significance in the natural world. 10 diagnostic characteristics and examples, biology and 10 economic importance of avanity. ChatGPT. Avanity, a comprehensive exploration. Avanity, commonly known as ensign wasps, is a family of parasitoid wasps that play important roles in controlling pest insect populations. These wasps have fascinating life cycles and are valuable allies in integrated pest management strategies. Here's a detailed look at the diagnostic characteristics, examples, biology, and economic importance of avanity. Diagnostic characteristics. Body shape. Ensign wasps typically have a slender, elongated body shape. Long antennae. They possess long, thread-like antennae that aid in sensory perception. Wings. Avanity have two pairs of membranous wings with characteristic venation. Examples of avanity. Avanid wasp, Avaniscus interruptus, widely distributed. It preys on various types of caterpillars. Ensign wasp, Heterospilus prosopidus, known for its unique, specialized life cycle involving interactions with other insects. Biology. Parasitoid lifestyle. Avanity are parasitoids, laying their eggs on or in other insects, often caterpillars. Host selection. Female ensign wasps locate suitable host insects by detecting chemical cues or other indicators. Economic importance. Natural pest control. Avanity are natural enemies of pest insects, particularly caterpillars that can damage crops. Integrated pest management. Ensign wasps are valuable components of pest management strategies, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. Ecological role. Biological control. By parasitizing pest insects, ensign wasps help maintain balance in insect populations. Food web dynamics. They contribute to the intricate interactions within ecological food webs. Human interactions. Non-aggressive. Ensign wasps are not aggressive towards humans and do not pose a stinging threat. Research and education. Parasitoid behavior studies. Avanity parasitoid behaviors and their interactions with host insects are subjects of scientific research. Educational value. Understanding ensign wasps' role in pest control can promote awareness of sustainable agriculture practices. Agricultural benefits. Crop protection. Ensign wasps help manage pest populations in various crops, reducing the need for chemical interventions. Conservation awareness. Beneficial insects. Educating farmers and the public about the beneficial role of ensign wasps supports their conservation. Biodiversity preservation. Natural enemies. Protecting diverse parasitoid wasp species contributes to maintaining overall biodiversity. Insect pest management. Integrated strategies. Incorporating ensign wasps into integrated pest management plans enhances sustainability in agriculture. In conclusion, avanity, or ensign wasps, exemplify the importance of natural enemies in controlling pest insect populations. Their parasitoid behaviors, targeting harmful insects, offer a sustainable and effective approach to pest management while minimizing environmental impact. 10 diagnostic characteristics and examples, biology and 10 economic importance of Braconidae. ChatGPT. Braconidae, a comprehensive exploration. Braconidae is a diverse family of parasitoid wasps known for their pivotal role in biological control of insect pests. These wasps exhibit a wide range of behaviors and adaptations, making them valuable allies in pest management strategies. Here's a detailed look at the diagnostic characteristics, examples, biology, and economic importance of Braconidae. Diagnostic characteristics. Size. Braconidae come in various sizes, from tiny to moderate-sized wasps. Body shape. They typically have a slender, elongated body shape. Antennae. Antennae are usually thread-like or filiform, with varying lengths. Wings. They have two pairs of membranous wings with characteristic venation. Examples of Braconidae. Bracken wasp Codicia glomerata parasitizes caterpillars of various moths. Aphid parasitoid wasp Aphidius colmani targets aphids, a common garden and agricultural pest. Biology. Parasitoid lifestyle. Braconidae are parasitoids, with females laying eggs on or in other insects. Host specificity. Different species of braconid wasps target specific hosts, often insects damaging to crops. Economic importance. Biological pest control. Braconidae play a significant role in suppressing pest insect populations, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. Integrated pest management. They are key components of integrated pest management strategies in agriculture. Ecological role. Natural pest control. By parasitizing and killing pest insects, braconid wasps help maintain ecosystem balance. Food web dynamics. They are part of the intricate interactions within ecological food webs. Human interactions. Non-threatening. Braconidae are not aggressive towards humans and do not pose a stinging threat. Research and education. Parasitoid behavior studies. Braconidae's interactions with host insects, reproductive behaviors, and strategies are subjects of scientific research. Educational value. Understanding the role of braconid wasps in pest control promotes sustainable agricultural practices. Agricultural benefits. Crop protection. Braconid wasps help manage pest populations in various crops, contributing to yield protection. Conservation awareness. Beneficial insects. Educating farmers and the public about the beneficial role of braconid wasps supports their conservation. Biodiversity preservation. Natural enemies. Protecting diverse parasitoid wasp species contributes to maintaining overall biodiversity. Insect pest management. Integrated strategies. Incorporating braconid wasps into integrated pest management plans enhances sustainability in agriculture. In conclusion, Braconidae exemplify the importance of parasitoid wasps in biological control of pest insects. Their specialized behaviors, host-specific adaptations, and contributions to sustainable pest management make them valuable allies for both agricultural and ecological systems. 10 diagnostic characteristics and examples, biology and 10 economic importance of Entomology. ChatGPT. Entomology, a comprehensive exploration. Entomology is a diverse family of parasitoid wasps with an intricate life cycle and a significant role in natural pest control. These wasps are known for their unique behaviors and adaptations, contributing to ecosystem health and integrated pest management strategies. Here's a detailed look at the diagnostic characteristics, examples, biology, and economic importance of Entomology. Diagnostic characteristics. Size and diversity. Entomology vary widely in size, coloration, and morphology, with over 24,000 described species. Body shape. They usually have a slender, elongated body with a distinct waist between thorax and abdomen. Antennae. Antennae are usually long and thread-like, often exceeding the length of the body. Wings. Entomology have 2 pairs of membranous wings with characteristic venation. Examples of Entomology. Nettalia wasp. Nettalia producta parasitizes caterpillars of various moths. Often wasp, often obscuratus, targets caterpillars of butterflies and moths. Biology. Parasitoid lifestyle. Entomology are parasitoids, with females laying eggs on or in other insects. Host specificity. Different species target specific hosts, often caterpillars and other insect larvae. Economic importance. Biological pest control. Entomology contributes significantly to natural pest control by reducing pest populations. Integrated pest management. They are valuable components of integrated pest management strategies in agriculture. Ecological role. Natural pest regulation. Entomology help maintain balance in insect populations, preventing pest outbreaks. Food web dynamics. They are part of the complex interactions within ecological food webs. Human interactions. Non-threatening. Entomology are not aggressive towards humans and do not pose a stinging threat. Research and education. Parasitoid behavior studies. Entomology's interactions with host insects, reproductive strategies, and adaptation are subjects of scientific research. Educational value. Understanding Entomology wasps' role in pest control promotes awareness of sustainable agriculture practices. Agricultural benefits. Crop protection. Entomology help manage pest populations in various crops, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. Conservation awareness. Beneficial insects. Educating farmers and the public about the beneficial role of Entomology wasps supports their conservation. Biodiversity preservation. Natural enemies. Protecting diverse parasitoid wasp species contributes to maintaining overall biodiversity. Insect pest management. Integrated strategies. Incorporating Entomology wasps into integrated pest management plans enhances sustainability in agriculture. In conclusion, Entomology exemplify the importance of parasitoid wasps in controlling pest insect populations. Their specialized behaviors, host-specific adaptations, and contributions to pest management make them invaluable assets for both ecological balance and agricultural sustainability. 10 diagnostic characteristics and examples, biology and 10 economic importance of Chalcididae. ChatGPT. Chalcididae, a comprehensive exploration. Chalcididae is a diverse family of parasitic wasps that play a significant role in natural pest control and ecosystem health. These small but mighty insects exhibit various behaviors and adaptations, contributing to the suppression of pest populations and the balance of insect communities. Here's a detailed look at the diagnostic characteristics, examples, biology, and economic importance of Chalcididae. Diagnostic characteristics. Small size. Chalcididae are typically small wasps, ranging from tiny to moderate-sized. Body shape. They have a compact body shape with a distinct waist between thorax and abdomen. Antennae. Antennae are usually long and thread-like, sometimes with distinctive segments. Wings. Chalcididae have 2 pairs of membranous wings with characteristic venation. Examples of Chalcididae. Orosema wasp. Orosema simulatrix parasitizes leafhoppers and plant-sucking insects. Brachymeria wasp Brachymeria intermedia targets various insect hosts, including pests of stored grains. Biology. Parasitic lifestyle. Chalcididae are parasitic wasps, with females laying eggs on or in other insects. Host specificity. Different species target specific hosts, often insects that damage crops. Economic importance. Biological pest control. Chalcididae contribute to the suppression of pest insect populations, aiding in natural pest control. Integrated pest management. They are valuable components of integrated pest management strategies in agriculture. Ecological role. Pest regulation. Chalcididae help maintain the balance of insect populations and prevent pest outbreaks. Biodiversity. They are part of the intricate interactions within ecological food webs. Human interactions. Non-threatening. Chalcididae are not aggressive towards humans and do not pose a stinging threat. Research and education. Parasitoid behavior studies. Chalcididae's interactions with host insects, reproductive strategies, and adaptation are subjects of scientific research. Educational value. Understanding the role of chalcidid wasps in pest control promotes awareness of sustainable agriculture practices. Agricultural benefits. Crop protection. Chalcididae help manage pest populations in various crops, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. Conservation awareness. Beneficial insects. Educating farmers and the public about the beneficial role of chalcidid wasps supports their conservation. Biodiversity preservation. Natural enemies. Protecting diverse parasitoid wasp species contributes to maintaining overall biodiversity. Insect pest management. Integrated strategies. Incorporating chalcidid wasps into integrated pest management plans enhances sustainability in agriculture. In conclusion, Chalcididae exemplify the importance of parasitoid wasps in biological control of pest insects. Their specific host targeting, role in maintaining pest populations, and contributions to sustainable pest management highlight their significance in both agricultural and ecological systems. 10 diagnostic characteristics and examples, biology and 10 economic importance of Euliphidae. ChatGPT. Euliphidae, a comprehensive exploration. Euliphidae is a diverse family of parasitic wasps known for their role in biological pest control and their intriguing life cycle. These tiny insects have adapted to target a wide range of host species, making them valuable allies in integrated pest management strategies. Here's a detailed look at the diagnostic characteristics, examples, biology, and economic importance of Euliphidae. Diagnostic characteristics. Small size. Euliphidae are typically small wasps, often measuring a few millimeters in length. Body shape. They have a compact body shape with a distinct waist between thorax and abdomen. Antennae. Antennae are usually long and thread-like, often exceeding the length of the body. Wings. Euliphidae have 2 pairs of membranous wings with characteristic venation. Examples of Euliphidae. Euliphus wasp Euliphus pennicornis parasitizes caterpillar pests of agricultural crops. Tetrastachus wasp Tetrastachus hagenoi targets larvae of various beetles and moths. Biology. Parasitic lifestyle. Euliphidae are parasitoid wasps, with females laying eggs on or in other insects. Host range. Different species target specific hosts, often insects that damage crops. Economic importance. Biological pest control. Euliphidae contribute significantly to pest control by reducing pest populations naturally. Integrated pest management. They are valuable components of integrated pest management strategies in agriculture. Ecological role. Pest regulation. Euliphidae help maintain the balance of insect populations and prevent pest outbreaks. Food web dynamics. They are part of the complex interactions within ecological food webs. Human interactions. Non-threatening. Euliphidae are not aggressive towards humans and do not pose a stinging threat. Research and education. Parasitoid behavior studies. Euliphidae's interactions with host insects, reproductive strategies, and adaptation are subjects of scientific research. Educational value. Understanding the role of euliphid wasps in pest control promotes awareness of sustainable agriculture practices. Agricultural benefits. Crop protection. Euliphidae help manage pest populations in various crops, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. Conservation awareness. Beneficial insects. Educating farmers and the public about the beneficial role of euliphid wasps supports their conservation. Biodiversity preservation. Natural enemies. Protecting diverse parasitoid wasp species contributes to maintaining overall biodiversity. Insect pest management. Integrated strategies. Incorporating euliphid wasps into integrated pest management plans enhances sustainability in agriculture. In conclusion, Euliphidae exemplify the importance of parasitoid wasps in biological control of pest insects. Their host-specific adaptations, contribution to pest suppression, and potential for sustainable pest management underscore their significance in both agricultural and ecological systems. Their host-specific adaptations, contribution to pest suppression, and potential for sustainable pest management underscore their significance in both agricultural and ecological systems. 10 diagnostic characteristics and examples, biology and 10 economic importance of Entomology. ChatGPT. Entomology, a comprehensive exploration. Entomology is a family of parasitic wasps known for their role in biological control and their unique biology. These wasps are adapted to target a variety of hosts, making them valuable in integrated pest management strategies. Here's a detailed look at the diagnostic characteristics, examples, biology, and economic importance of Entomology. Diagnostic characteristics. Small size, Eurytomidae are typically small wasps, often measuring only a few millimeters in length. Body shape, they have a compact body shape with a distinct waist between thorax and abdomen. Antennae are usually long and thread-like, with varying numbers of segments. Wings, Eurytomidae have two pairs of membranous wings with characteristic venation. Examples of Eurytomidae. Eurytoma wasp Eurytoma sp. Targets the larvae of various insects, including pests of agricultural crops. Psychophila wasp Psychophila spp. Parasitizes the larvae of fig wasps. Biology. Parasitic lifestyle, Eurytomidae are parasitoid wasps, with females laying eggs on or in other insects. Host specificity, different species target specific hosts, often insects that damage crops. Economic importance. Biological pest control, Eurytomidae contribute to natural pest control by reducing pest insect populations. Integrated pest management, they are valuable components of integrated pest management strategies in agriculture. Ecological role. Pest regulation, Eurytomidae help maintain the balance of insect populations and prevent pest outbreaks. Biodiversity, they are part of the complex interactions within ecological food webs. Human interactions. Non-threatening, Eurytomidae are not aggressive towards humans and do not pose a stinging threat. Research and education. Parasitoid behavior studies, Eurytomidae's interactions with host insects, reproductive strategies, and adaptation are subjects of scientific research. Educational value, understanding the role of Eurytomid wasps in pest control promotes awareness of sustainable agriculture practices. Agricultural benefits. Crop protection, Eurytomidae help manage pest populations in various crops, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. Conservation awareness. Beneficial insects, educating farmers and the public about the beneficial role of Eurytomid wasps supports their conservation. Biodiversity preservation. Natural enemies, protecting diverse parasitoid wasp species contributes to maintaining overall biodiversity. Insect pest management. Integrated strategies, incorporating Eurytomid wasps into integrated pest management plans enhances sustainability in agriculture. In conclusion, Eurytomidae exemplify the importance of parasitoid wasps in biological control of pest insects. Their host-specific adaptations, contribution to pest suppression, and potential for sustainable pest management highlight their significance in both agricultural and ecological systems. 10 diagnostic characteristics and examples, biology and 10 economic importance of pteromalady. ChatGPT. Pteromalady, a comprehensive exploration. Pteromalady is a diverse family of parasitic wasps with a crucial role in biological pest control. These wasps target a wide range of hosts, contributing to the suppression of pest populations and the enhancement of integrated pest management strategies. Here's a detailed look at the diagnostic characteristics, examples, biology, and economic importance of pteromalady. Diagnostic characteristics. Small size, pteromalady are typically small wasps, often measuring only a few millimeters in length. Body shape, they have a compact body shape with a distinct waist between thorax and abdomen. Antennae are usually long and thread-like, with varying numbers of segments. Wings, pteromalady have two pairs of membranous wings with characteristic venation. Examples of pteromalady. Pteromalus wasp Pteromalus spp. Parasitizes various pests of agricultural crops, such as aphids and leaf miners. Sporangia wasp Sporangia spp. Targets fly larvae, including pests in animal husbandry settings. Biology. Parasitic lifestyle, pteromalady are parasitoid wasps, with females laying eggs on or in other insects. Host specificity, different species target specific hosts, often insects that damage crops or livestock. Economic importance. Biological pest control, pteromalady contributes significantly to pest control by reducing pest insect populations. Integrated pest management, they are valuable components of integrated pest management strategies in agriculture and animal husbandry. Ecological role. Pest regulation, pteromalady help maintain the balance of insect populations and prevent pest outbreaks. Biodiversity, they are part of the intricate interactions within ecological food webs. Human interactions. Non-threatening, pteromalady are not aggressive towards humans and do not pose a stinging threat. Research and education. Parasitoid behavior studies, pteromaladae's interactions with host insects, reproductive strategies, and adaptation are subjects of scientific research. Educational value, understanding the role of pteromalid wasps in pest control promotes awareness of sustainable agriculture and livestock management practices. Agricultural and livestock benefits. Crop and animal protection, pteromalady help manage pest populations in crops and livestock, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. Conservation awareness. Beneficial insects, educating farmers and the public about the beneficial role of pteromalid wasps supports their conservation. Biodiversity preservation. Natural enemies, protecting diverse parasitoid wasp species contributes to maintaining overall biodiversity. Insect pest and pest fly management. Integrated strategies, incorporating pteromalid wasps into integrated pest management plans enhances sustainability in agriculture and animal husbandry. In conclusion, pteromalady exemplify the significance of parasitoid wasps in biological control of pest insects and flies. Their host-specific adaptations, contribution to pest suppression, and potential for sustainable pest management underscore their vital role in both agricultural and ecological systems. 10 diagnostic characteristics and examples, biology and 10 economic importance of parasitic Hymenoptera and biological control. ChatGPT. Parasitic Hymenoptera, a comprehensive exploration. Parasitic Hymenoptera, a diverse group of wasps, play a pivotal role in biological control by parasitizing other insects. These beneficial insects contribute to reducing pest populations naturally and are essential components of integrated pest management strategies. Here's a detailed look at the diagnostic characteristics, examples, biology, and economic importance of parasitic Hymenoptera in biological control. Diagnostic characteristics. Parasitic lifestyle. Parasitic Hymenoptera exhibit a parasitoid lifestyle, laying eggs on or in other insects. Body shape. They have a diverse body shape, ranging from small and slender to robust. Antennae. Antennae are usually well developed, varying in length and structure among different species. Wings. Parasitic Hymenoptera have two pairs of membranous wings with characteristic venation. Examples of parasitic Hymenoptera. Braconid wasps. Braconidae parasitize a wide range of hosts, including caterpillars and other insect larvae. Ichneumoniid wasps. Ichneumonidae target various insects, including moth and beetle larvae. Biology. Parasitoid behavior. Parasitic Hymenoptera lay eggs on or in the host's body, where the parasitoid larvae develop, eventually killing the host. Host specificity. Different parasitic wasp species target specific hosts based on their biology and behavior. Economic importance in biological control. Pest suppression. Parasitic Hymenoptera are effective natural enemies of pest insects, contributing to pest suppression. Integrated pest management. They play a vital role in integrated pest management programs, reducing reliance on chemical pesticides. Benefits of biological control. Environmental sustainability. Using parasitic Hymenoptera for biological control helps maintain a balanced ecosystem. Reduced chemical usage. Biological control reduces the need for chemical pesticides, promoting safer and more sustainable agriculture. Enhanced food production. Higher yields. Effective biological control can lead to increased crop yields by keeping pest populations in check. Conservation of beneficial insects. Preserving natural enemies. Protecting parasitic Hymenoptera and other beneficial insects contributes to overall ecosystem health. Research and education. Behavioral studies. Understanding the behavior and ecology of parasitic Hymenoptera aids in improving biological control strategies. Educational outreach. Educating farmers and the public about the role of parasitic wasps promotes sustainable pest management practices. Insect pest management. Integrated strategies. Incorporating parasitic Hymenoptera into integrated pest management plans enhances sustainability in agriculture. Biodiversity preservation. Natural enemies. Conserving diverse parasitic wasp species contributes to maintaining overall biodiversity. In conclusion, parasitic Hymenoptera exemplify the importance of biological control in sustainable pest management. Their host-specific adaptations, contribution to pest suppression, and potential for sustainable agriculture underscore their vital role in both agricultural and ecological systems. Honeybees and honey production. ChatGPT. Honeybees and honey production, a comprehensive overview. Honeybees, Apis mellifera, are fascinating insects that play a crucial role in pollination, ecosystem health, and honey production. They are renowned for their intricate social behavior, remarkable communication, and valuable products, including honey and beeswax. Here's a detailed exploration of honeybees and honey production. Biology and behavior. Eusocial insects. Honeybees live in large colonies with complex social structures, including a queen, worker bees, and drones. Division of labor. Worker bees perform tasks such as foraging, nursing, and hive maintenance, while drones are male bees that contribute to mating. Queen's role. The queen bee lays eggs, maintaining the colony's population, and secretes pheromones that regulate colony behavior. Communication. Honeybees communicate through dances, conveying information about food sources and directions. Honey production process. Foraging. Worker bees collect nectar from flowers, which they carry to the hive in their honey stomachs. Nectar processing. Inside the hive, worker bees transfer nectar to other bees through regurgitation and evaporation. Enzymatic conversion. Bees add enzymes to the nectar, breaking down complex sugars into simpler sugars. Evaporation. Bees fan their wings to accelerate water evaporation, thickening the nectar into honey. Capping. Once the honey reaches the desired consistency, bees seal the cells with wax cappings. Economic and culinary importance. Honey production. Honeybees are key producers of honey, a natural sweetener with various culinary and medicinal uses. Medicinal uses. Honey has antimicrobial properties and is used in traditional medicine for wound healing and soothing sore throat. Medicinal uses. Honey has antimicrobial properties and is used in traditional medicine for wound healing and soothing sore throats. Agricultural significance. Pollination. Honeybees play a vital role in pollinating crops, enhancing fruit and seed production for numerous agricultural plants. Nutrient cycling. Bee-pollinated crops contribute to nutrient cycling and ecosystem stability. Ecosystem health. Biodiversity. Honeybees contribute to plant diversity by pollinating a wide range of flowering plants. Indicator species. Their health reflects environmental conditions, making them indicators of ecosystem health. Honeybee decline and conservation. Colony collapse disorder, CCD. Honeybee populations have faced declines due to factors such as pesticides, habitat loss, and pathogens. Conservation efforts. Protecting honeybee populations through habitat restoration, reduced pesticide use, and disease management is crucial for agricultural and ecological sustainability. Cultural and traditional importance. Cultural symbolism. Honeybees are symbolic in various cultures, representing diligence, community, and fertility. Honey in rituals. Honey has been used in rituals, offerings, and celebrations across different cultures. Beekeeping and apiculture. Beekeeping practices. Beekeepers manage honeybee colonies for honey production, pollination services, and beeswax. Apicultural products. In addition to honey, beekeepers collect beeswax, propolis, royal jelly, and pollen. Economic impact. Agricultural value. Honeybee pollination contributes significantly to the global economy, enhancing crop yields and quality. Honey trade. Honey production and trade generate economic value, supporting rural livelihoods. In conclusion, honeybees are essential insects with a profound impact on ecosystems, agriculture, and human culture. Their role in honey production, pollination, and ecosystem health underscores their significance. Their role in honey production, pollination, and ecosystem health underscores their significance in maintaining biodiversity and supporting sustainable food production systems. Honeybee venom. In detail, very long answer. ChatGPT. Honeybee venom, a comprehensive exploration. Honeybee venom is a complex substance produced by worker bees as a defense mechanism and is also known for its potential therapeutic benefits. This venom contains a mixture of bioactive compounds that serve various purposes, from protecting the hive to playing a role in human health. Here's a detailed look at honeybee venom. Composition of honeybee venom. Peptides. Melittin is a major component of honeybee venom, responsible for its pain-inducing and anti-inflammatory effects. Enzymes. Phospholipase A2 (PLA2) is another composition of honeybee venom. Peptides. Melittin is a major component of honeybee venom, responsible for its pain-inducing and anti-inflammatory effects. Enzymes. Phospholipase A2 (PLA2) is another essential component, contributing to the release of inflammatory mediators. Amines. Histamine and dopamine. Peptides. Melittin is a major component of honeybee venom, responsible for its pain-inducing and anti-inflammatory effects. Enzymes. Phospholipase A2 (PLA2) is another essential component, contributing to the release of inflammatory mediators. Amines. Histamine and dopamine are found in small amounts, contributing to the body's immune response. Proteins, apamin, adolapin, and mast cell degranulating peptide (MCDP) are present, influencing the body's immune. This venom contains a mixture of honeybee venom, a comprehensive exploration. Honeybee venom is a complex substance produced by worker bees as a defense mechanism and is also known for its potential therapeutic benefits. This venom contains a mixture of bioactive compounds that serve various purposes, from protecting the hive to playing a role in human health. Here's a detailed look at honeybee venom. Composition of honeybee venom. Peptides. Melittin is a major component of honeybee venom, responsible for its pain-inducing and anti-inflammatory effects. Enzymes. Phospholipase A2 (PLA2) is another essential component, contributing to the release of inflammatory mediators. Amines. Histamine and dopamine are found in small amounts, contributing to the body's immune response. Proteins, apamin, adolapin, and mast cell degranulating peptide (MCDP) are present, influencing the body's immune system. Honeybee venom is a defense mechanism. Stingers. Worker bees possess stingers attached to venom sacs. When the stinger penetrates, it releases venom, often causing the bee's death due to the detachment of a stinger in part of the abdomen. Predator deterrent. The venom's painful and inflammatory effects deter predators and protect the hive. Therapeutic potential and medical uses. Anti-inflammatory properties. Melittin's anti-inflammatory properties have led to research on its potential for treating conditions such as arthritis. Pain management. Components of honeybee venom, such as melittin, can influence pain perception, potentially aiding pain management. Antibacterial activity. Honeybee venom's compounds exhibit antibacterial properties, making it an area of study for wound healing. Immunomodulation. Some components of the venom influence the immune system, which may have applications in autoimmune diseases. Apitherapy and traditional use. Apitherapy. Apitherapy involves using bee products, including honeybee venom, for therapeutic purposes. Traditional medicine. Various cultures have used bee venom for centuries to treat ailments ranging from joint pain to skin conditions. Research and scientific exploration. Biomedical studies. Researchers are investigating the potential of honeybee venom in treating conditions like multiple sclerosis, cancer, and chronic pain. Synthetic production. Efforts are underway to synthesize venom components for medical purposes while avoiding bee-related environmental impacts. Allergic reactions. Stinging incidents. For some individuals, honeybee stings can trigger allergic reactions ranging from localized swelling to severe anaphylaxis. Anaphylactic shock. Anaphylactic shock is a severe allergic reaction that requires immediate medical attention. Bee sting therapy, bee venom therapy. Practices and risks. Bee sting therapy involves controlled bee stings to treat certain conditions. However, it can be risky due to the potential for allergic reactions. Lack of scientific consensus. The efficacy and safety of bee sting therapy lack conclusive scientific consensus. Future directions. Biomedical applications. Ongoing research aims to harness the therapeutic potential of honeybee venom while understanding its mechanisms of action. Alternative therapies. The integration of bee venom into mainstream medicine requires rigorous scientific validation and safety assessments. In conclusion, honeybee venom is a complex mixture of bioactive compounds with potential therapeutic benefits. While research into its applications continues, caution is necessary due to the risk of allergic reactions. The exploration of honeybee venom's potential highlights the intricate relationship between nature, science, and human health. Swarm intelligence and its application in detail. Very long answer. ChatGPT. Swarm intelligence, exploring collective wisdom. Swarm intelligence is a fascinating concept inspired by the behavior of social organisms, such as ants, bees, birds, and fish. It refers to the collective behavior exhibited by decentralized, self-organized systems where individual agents interact with one another and their environment. This phenomenon has captured the attention of researchers and has led to various applications in science, engineering, and problem-solving. Here's a comprehensive exploration of swarm intelligence and its applications. Basic principles of swarm intelligence. Decentralization. Swarm intelligence relies on decentralized decision-making, where individual agents follow simple rules without a centralized controller. Self-organization. Agents interact locally, adapting their behavior based on environmental cues and the actions of their neighbors. Emergent behavior. Complex global patterns emerge from the interactions of individual agents, often resulting in efficient and robust solutions. Examples of swarm intelligence in nature. Ant colonies. Ants exhibit collective foraging behavior, using pheromone trails to guide them to food sources. Bird flocking. Birds flying in flocks demonstrate cohesive patterns and rapid changes in direction without a single leader. Bee swarms. Honeybees use swarm behavior to locate new nesting sites collectively. Applications of swarm intelligence. Optimization problems. Swarm intelligence algorithms are applied to solve complex optimization problems, such as finding the best route for delivery trucks or optimizing supply chains. Routing and scheduling. The traveling salesman problem and vehicle routing problems are tackled using ant colony optimization and other swarm-based approaches. Data clustering. Particle swarm optimization and other techniques help cluster data points for pattern recognition and classification tasks. Robotics. Swarming robots can collectively achieve tasks such as environmental monitoring, disaster response, and exploration. Traffic flow management. Mimicking the collective behavior of ants, traffic flow algorithms help optimize traffic signals and reduce congestion. Resource allocation. Swarm intelligence assists in allocating resources in dynamic and uncertain environments, such as energy distribution or wireless networks. Complex systems modeling. Swarm-based models help simulate complex phenomena like crowd dynamics, disease spread, and social dynamics. Multi-agent systems. Swarming principles guide the behavior of autonomous agents in scenarios like search and rescue missions. Financial modeling. Swarm intelligence aids in analyzing stock market behavior, predicting financial trends, and risk management. Benefits of swarm intelligence. Robustness. Swarm-based systems are often robust against failures of individual agents due to their decentralized nature. Adaptability. Swarm intelligence can adapt to changing environments, making it suitable for dynamic situations. Scalability. Swarm-based approaches can scale to handle large and complex problems efficiently. Emergent solutions. These systems generate novel solutions that might not be obvious from the perspective of individual agents. Challenges and future directions. Complexity. The behavior of swarms can be intricate and challenging to model accurately. Parameter tuning. Fine-tuning parameters for swarm algorithms can be time-consuming and require expertise. Ethical considerations. The deployment of swarming robots and algorithms raises ethical concerns related to privacy, security, and unintended consequences. In conclusion, swarm intelligence showcases the power of collective behavior, offering insights into problem-solving and optimization inspired by nature. Its applications across various domains demonstrate its potential to revolutionize fields such as optimization, robotics, and data analysis. As researchers continue to explore and refine swarm-based techniques, we can expect further advancements that harness the collective wisdom of decentralized systems. 10 diagnostic characteristics and examples, biology and 10 economic importance of Diptera. ChatGPT. Diptera, exploring flies and their economic importance. Diptera, commonly known as flies, are a diverse order of insects with a wide range of species and ecological roles. They exhibit distinct diagnostic characteristics and play crucial roles in various ecosystems, including agriculture, medicine, and waste decomposition. Here's a comprehensive overview of the diagnostic characteristics, examples, biology, and economic importance of Diptera. Diagnostic characteristics. 1 pair of wings. Diptera have only 1 pair of wings, which distinguishes them from other insects. Halteres. Instead of a second pair of wings, flies have modified hind wings called halteres, which aid in balance during flight. Sponging mouthparts. Most flies have sponging or lapping mouthparts used for feeding on liquids. Examples of Diptera. Housefly Musca domestica, commonly found in human environments. Houseflies are vectors of disease and pests in homes. Fruit fly Drosophila melanogaster, often used in genetic research. Fruit flies are important models for understanding genetics and development. Biology and ecology. Pollination. Many fly species, such as hoverflies, play a significant role in pollinating flowers and crops. Decomposition. Blowflies and other flies are vital in decomposing organic matter and recycling nutrients. Disease vectors. Certain fly species transmit diseases to humans and animals, including malaria, dengue fever, and sleeping sickness. Predatory behavior. Some fly larvae are predators of other insects, contributing to natural pest control. Economic importance. Agriculture. Pollinating flies contribute to crop production, ensuring the reproduction of various fruits and vegetables. Waste management. Flies aid in the decomposition of organic matter, accelerating the breakdown of waste. Forensic entomology. The study of fly activity on corpses helps estimate time of death in forensic investigations. Medical research. Drosophila melanogaster serves as a model organism for studying genetics, development, and disease. Biological control. Parasitoid flies, such as tachinids, lay eggs on other insects, serving as natural enemies for pest control. Health impact. Disease transmission. Some flies transmit diseases to humans and animals, making their control crucial for public health. Allergies. Houseflies and other species can cause allergies due to their presence in indoor environments. Food chain contribution. Energy flow. Flies, as both pollinators and decomposers, play a crucial role in energy flow through ecosystems. Food source. Many animals, including birds and spiders, rely on flies as a primary food source. Bioindicator species. Environmental health. Certain fly species act as bioindicators, reflecting the health of ecosystems based on their presence and behavior. Invasive species concerns. Ecological disruption. Invasive flies, such as the spotted-winged Drosophila, can disrupt ecosystems and impact native species. Research and conservation. Ecological studies. Studying fly behavior, distribution, and interaction with their environment aids in understanding ecological processes. Conservation. Preserving natural habitats ensures the survival of diverse fly species, contributing to overall ecosystem health. In conclusion, Diptera encompass a diverse range of species with significant ecological roles and economic importance. From pollination and waste decomposition to disease transmission and medical research, flies impact various aspects of human life and the environment. Understanding and managing fly populations are essential for maintaining ecosystem balance and public health. 10 diagnostic characteristics and examples, biology and 10 economic importance of Nematocera. ChatGPT. Nematocera, an in-depth exploration. Nematocera is a suborder of Diptera that includes a diverse group of insects commonly known as longhorn flies. These insects exhibit distinct diagnostic characteristics and play essential ecological and economic roles. Here's a comprehensive overview of the diagnostic characteristics, examples, biology, and economic importance of Nematocera. Diagnostic characteristics. Long antennae. Nematocera have long, filamentous antennae, which often exceed the length of their bodies. Mouthparts variation. Their mouthparts vary among species, including biting, piercing sucking, and sponging types. Larval habitats. Nematocera larvae are found in a range of habitats, including aquatic environments, soil, and decaying organic matter. Examples of Nematocera. Mosquitoes. Culicidae. Mosquitoes are well-known nematocerans that include species responsible for transmitting diseases such as malaria and dengue fever. Craneflies. Tipulidae. Craneflies resemble large mosquitoes and are harmless to humans. Their larvae are often called leather jackets. Biology and ecology. Aquatic larvae. Many nematocerans have aquatic larvae that inhabit ponds, streams, and other water bodies. Feeding habits. Nematoceran adults and larvae exhibit diverse feeding habits, including blood feeding, herbivora, and predation. Pollination. Some species, such as midges, participate in pollination, contributing to plant reproduction. Economic importance. Disease transmission. Mosquitoes are significant vectors of diseases like malaria, dengue fever, Zika virus, and West Nile virus, impacting human health. Pest control. Adult nematocerans serve as prey for other insects, contributing to natural pest control. Indicators of ecosystem health. The presence and abundance of certain nematocerans in aquatic habitats serve as indicators of water quality. Ecological role. Aquatic food web. Nematoceran larvae are essential components of aquatic food webs, serving as prey for aquatic insects, fish, and other organisms. Decomposition. Larvae contribute to the decomposition of organic matter in aquatic and terrestrial environments. Biting and blood-feeding behavior. Mosquitoes. Female mosquitoes require blood for egg development, making them important vectors for diseases like malaria and West Nile virus. Nutrient cycling. Larval habitats. Nematoceran larvae contribute to nutrient cycling by breaking down organic matter in aquatic and terrestrial ecosystems. Research and scientific importance. Vector biology. Studies on mosquito behavior, transmission of diseases, and vector control strategies are crucial for public health. Ecological studies. Nematocerans play roles in nutrient cycling, pollination, and food webs, making them valuable subjects for ecological research. Conservation concerns. Habitat degradation. Degradation of aquatic habitats impacts nematoceran populations and the ecosystems they inhabit. Insect control strategies. Biological control. Nematocerans, as prey for other insects, contribute to biological pest control. Emerging disease concerns. Climate change. The range and behavior of disease-transmitting nematocerans like mosquitoes can be influenced by climate change, leading to shifts in disease distribution. In conclusion, Nematocera, or longhorn flies, encompass a wide range of species with varied ecological roles and economic importance. While some species play crucial roles in disease transmission, others contribute to natural pest control and nutrient cycling. Understanding their behavior and impact is essential for managing disease vectors, maintaining ecosystem health, and ensuring human well-being. 10 diagnostic characteristics and examples, biology and 10 economic importance of Brachycera. ChatGPT. Brachycera, an in-depth exploration. Brachycera is a suborder of Diptera that includes a diverse group of flies with shortened antennae. These insects exhibit distinct diagnostic characteristics and play essential ecological and economic roles. Here's a comprehensive overview of the diagnostic characteristics, examples, biology, and economic importance of Brachycera. Diagnostic characteristics. Shortened antennae. Brachycera have shorter antennae compared to other dipterans. Reduced wing veins. Their wings often have reduced venation, giving them a distinctive appearance. Examples of Brachycera. Housefly, Musca domestica, commonly found worldwide. Houseflies play a role in waste decomposition and can transmit diseases. Fruit fly, Drosophila melanogaster. Drosophila species are widely used in genetic research and serve as model organisms for studying development and genetics. Biology and ecology. Diverse habits. Brachycerans exhibit diverse habits, including scavenging, predation, parasitism, and more. Feeding modes. Some species have specialized mouthparts for piercing, blood feeding, or sponging, adapting to various food sources. Pollination. Certain brachycerans, like syrphid flies, contribute to pollination by visiting flowers for nectar. Economic importance. Disease transmission. Houseflies and stable flies are known vectors of disease-causing microorganisms, impacting public health. Pest control. Predatory brachycerans help control pest populations, including aphids, caterpillars, and other insects harmful to crops. Forensic entomology. Blowflies and other brachycerans are used in forensic investigations to estimate time of death. Agricultural impact. Crop pollination. Pollinating brachycerans, such as hoverflies, contribute to crop pollination and increase agricultural yields. Biocontrol. Predatory species help regulate pest populations, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. Research and scientific use. Genetic studies. Drosophila species, like D. melanogaster, are vital for genetic and developmental research. Ecological research. Brachycerans are studied to understand their roles in food webs, nutrient cycling, and ecosystem dynamics. Disease management. Vector control. Managing brachyceran populations, such as houseflies, is essential for reducing disease transmission and contamination. Waste decomposition. Detritivores. Some brachycerans aid in the decomposition of organic matter, contributing to nutrient cycling. Human health and hygiene. Sanitation. Controlling housefly populations is crucial for maintaining hygiene in residential and commercial environments. Bioindicator species. Environmental health. Presence and abundance of certain brachycerans can indicate ecosystem health and pollution levels. Conservation concerns. Habitat loss. Degradation of natural habitats can impact brachyceran species and their roles in ecosystems. Integrated pest management. Sustainable practices. Utilizing brachycerans for biological pest control aligns with sustainable agricultural practices. In conclusion, Brachycera, the suborder of short-horned flies, consists of species with diverse ecological roles and economic importance. From disease transmission and pest control to agricultural pollination and genetic research, brachycerans impact various aspects of human life and ecosystems. Understanding their behavior and ecological interactions is essential for managing both positive and negative aspects of their presence. 10 diagnostic characteristics and examples, biology and 10 economic importance of Muscidae. ChatGPT. Muscidae, exploring characteristics, biology, and economic importance. Muscidae is a family of flies belonging to the Diptera order. These flies are commonly known as house flies and are found worldwide. They exhibit distinct diagnostic characteristics and play essential roles in various ecosystems and human environments. Here's a comprehensive overview of the diagnostic characteristics, examples, biology, and economic importance of Muscidae. Diagnostic characteristics. Medium-sized flies. Muscidae are medium-sized flies with a body length ranging from a few millimeters to around 7 millimeters. Grayish coloration. They typically have a grayish coloration on their body. Compound eyes. Muscidae have large, prominent compound eyes. Veined wings. Their wings are veined, and they have a single pair of wings. Examples of Muscidae. Housefly Musca domestica. The housefly is one of the most well-known members of the Muscidae family and is found worldwide. Biology and ecology. Habitat. Muscidae are commonly found in human environments, including homes, farms, and urban areas. Breeding sites. They breed in a variety of decaying organic materials, including food waste, manure, and other rotting substances. Feeding habits. Adult houseflies feed on various liquids, including food and decaying matter, using their sponging mouthparts. Breeding sites. They breed in a variety of decaying organic materials, including food waste, manure, and other rotting substances. Feeding habits. Adult houseflies feed on various liquids, including food and decaying matter, using their sponging mouthparts. Economic importance. Disease transmission. Houseflies are well-known vectors of diseases such as typhoid, cholera, and dysentery. They can pick up disease-causing microorganisms from contaminated sources and then transmit them to human food and surfaces. Contamination of food. Houseflies can contaminate food by landing on it with their potentially disease-carrying legs and mouthparts. Animal health. Muscidae can also transmit diseases to livestock, impacting agricultural productivity. Waste decomposition. Decomposers. Muscidae play a role in the decomposition of organic matter, including animal carcasses and organic waste. Medical research. Disease transmission studies. Houseflies are used in scientific studies to understand disease transmission mechanisms and develop strategies to prevent disease outbreaks. Pest management. Integrated pest management. Managing housefly populations is important in preventing disease spread and maintaining hygiene in human environments. Biological control. Predatory insects and other natural enemies of houseflies can be used as biological control agents to reduce their populations. Sanitation and hygiene. Health and safety. Effective sanitation practices are crucial in controlling housefly populations and minimizing disease transmission risks. Public health impact. Disease prevention. Preventing housefly populations helps in reducing the risk of disease outbreaks and protecting public health. Sustainable practices. Hygiene education. Promoting hygiene awareness and proper waste disposal practices can contribute to reducing housefly populations. Food industry. Food safety. Preventing housefly access to food and food processing areas is vital for maintaining food safety standards. In conclusion, Muscidae, or houseflies, are economically important insects due to their role as disease vectors and contaminants of food and surfaces. Understanding their behavior and implementing effective sanitation and pest management practices are essential for protecting public health and maintaining hygiene in various environments. 10 diagnostic characteristics and examples, biology and 10 economic importance of culicity. ChatGPT. Culicity, exploring characteristics, biology, and economic importance. Culicity is a family of flies commonly known as mosquitoes. These insects are well known for their importance as disease vectors and their prevalence in various ecosystems. Here's a comprehensive overview of the diagnostic characteristics, examples, biology, and economic importance of culicity. Diagnostic characteristics. Slender body. Mosquitoes have a slender, elongated body. Long legs and proboscis. They possess long legs and a specialized proboscis for blood feeding. Wings. Mosquitoes have a single pair of wings with scales. Examples of culicity. Aedes aegypti, responsible for transmitting diseases like dengue fever, Zika virus, and yellow fever. Anopheles spp, transmits the parasite responsible for malaria. Culex spp, known for transmitting West Nile virus and causing nuisance bites. Biology and ecology. Habitat. Mosquitoes inhabit a wide range of environments, including freshwater habitats and urban areas. Article 6 of 9. "10 diagnostic characteristics and examples, biology and 10 economic importance of culicity." ChatGPT. Culicity, exploring characteristics, biology, and economic importance. Culicity is a family of flies commonly known as mosquitoes. These insects are well known for their importance as disease vectors and their prevalence in various ecosystems. Here's a comprehensive overview of the diagnostic characteristics, examples, biology, and economic importance of culicity. Diagnostic characteristics. Slender body. Mosquitoes have a slender, elongated body. Long legs and proboscis. They possess long legs and a specialized proboscis for blood feeding. Wings. Mosquitoes have a single pair of wings with scales. Examples of culicity. Aedes aegypti, responsible for transmitting diseases like dengue fever, Zika virus, and yellow fever. Anopheles spp, transmits the parasite responsible for malaria. Culex spp, known for transmitting West Nile virus and causing nuisance bites. Biology and ecology. Habitat. Mosquitoes inhabit a wide range of environments, including freshwater habitats and urban areas. Larval development. Larvae develop in various water sources, from stagnant ponds to artificial containers. Feeding habits. Female mosquitoes require blood for egg development, while both males and females feed on nectar and plant juices. Feeding habits. Female mosquitoes require blood for egg development, while both males and females feed on nectar and plant juices. Economic importance. Disease transmission. Culicity are vectors of diseases like malaria, dengue fever, Zika virus, West Nile virus, and more. These diseases have significant health and economic impacts. Medical costs. The medical treatment and control of mosquito-borne diseases pose substantial financial burdens on healthcare systems. Agricultural impact. Mosquitoes can transmit diseases to livestock, affecting animal health and productivity. Public health concerns. Disease burden. Mosquito-borne diseases lead to millions of deaths and illnesses annually, particularly affecting vulnerable populations in tropical and subtropical regions. Vector control. Insecticides. Efforts to control mosquito populations often involve the use of insecticides to reduce disease transmission risks. Bed nets. Insecticide-treated bed nets are used to prevent mosquito bites and the transmission of diseases like malaria. Research importance. Disease studies. Research on mosquito behavior, disease transmission mechanisms, and potential control strategies is crucial for disease management. Global health impact. Epidemic control. Controlling mosquito populations is essential to prevent and manage disease epidemics in various parts of the world. Education and awareness. Community involvement. Educating communities about mosquito-borne diseases and prevention measures is essential for reducing disease risks. Tourism and travel concerns. Travel advisories. Mosquito-borne diseases can impact travel decisions, affecting tourism industries in affected regions. Environmental concerns. Biodiversity. Mosquito control measures can have unintended impacts on non-target organisms and ecosystems. Climate change impact. Vector distribution. Changes in temperature and precipitation patterns can alter the distribution and behavior of mosquito vectors, affecting disease transmission dynamics. In conclusion, culicity, or mosquitoes, have significant economic and public health importance due to their role as vectors of deadly diseases. Strategies for controlling mosquito populations and preventing disease transmission are essential for protecting human health, reducing medical costs, and ensuring global well-being. 10 diagnostic characteristics and examples, biology and 10 economic importance of califority. ChatGPT. Califority, characteristics, biology, and economic importance. Califority, commonly known as blowflies, are a family of flies that play important roles in ecosystems and forensic science. These flies have distinctive characteristics and ecological functions, along with significant economic implications. Here's an in-depth exploration of the diagnostic characteristics, examples, biology, and economic importance of califority. Diagnostic characteristics. Metallic colors. Many blowflies exhibit metallic colors on their body, ranging from green to blue. 3-segmented antennae. They have antennae with 3 segments, with the third segment enlarged and often bearing arista-like bristles. Spiny legs. Blowflies typically have spiny legs adapted for clinging to surfaces. Examples of califority. Common green bottlefly Lucilius serracata, widely distributed and known for its metallic green coloration. Blue bottlefly Calliphora vomitoria, recognizable by its metallic blue body. Biology and ecology. Decomposers. Blowflies play a critical role in decomposition by laying eggs on decaying organic matter, including animal carcasses and organic waste. Life cycle. Blowflies undergo complete metamorphosis, with egg, larva, maggot, pupa, and adult stages. Breeding sites. They breed on carrion, dung, and other organic materials. Economic importance. Forensic science. Blowflies are used in forensic entomology to estimate time of death, post-mortem interval in criminal investigations. Ecological indicators. Their presence and development on corpses can provide important insights into ecological interactions. Medical research. Blowflies are used in wound healing studies and the development of medical treatments. Waste decomposition. Nutrient cycling. Blowflies aid in nutrient cycling by breaking down organic matter into smaller components that contribute to soil fertility. Forensic investigations. Time of death estimation. Blowfly life cycle stages and development patterns on a corpse help forensic experts determine the approximate time of death. Environmental health. Pollution indicators. The presence of blowflies on decomposing materials can indicate pollution levels and environmental health. Biodegradable waste management. Decomposition of organic waste. Blowflies contribute to the decomposition of organic waste, potentially reducing the need for landfill space. Ecosystem functioning. Decomposer guilds. Blowflies are part of a complex community of decomposers that contribute to nutrient recycling in ecosystems. Research and education. Entomological studies. Blowflies serve as model organisms for studying insect development, behavior, and interactions with the environment. Medical and veterinary applications. Wound healing. Maggot therapy, using blowfly larvae, has been used to aid in wound debridement and promote healing. Cultural and historical importance. Art and literature. Blowflies have been depicted in art, literature, and culture as symbols of death and decay. In conclusion, Calliphoridae, or blowflies, have significant ecological roles as decomposers and forensic indicators. Their presence is crucial for nutrient cycling and ecosystem functioning, and they provide valuable information in forensic investigations. Furthermore, blowflies contribute to medical research, waste management, and cultural contexts, making them important and intriguing subjects in various fields. 10 diagnostic characteristics and examples, biology and 10 economic importance of sarcophagidae. ChatGPT. Sarcophagidae, characteristics, biology, and economic importance. Sarcophagidae, commonly known as flesh flies, are a family of flies with distinctive characteristics and diverse ecological roles. These flies have biological and economic significance, making them important subjects of study. Here's an extensive exploration of the diagnostic characteristics, examples, biology, and economic importance of sarcophagidae. Diagnostic characteristics. 3 stripes on thorax. Many flesh flies have 3 dark stripes on their thorax, which is a key diagnostic feature. Grayish appearance. They often have a grayish body coloration. Fleshy, bristle-like appendages. Sarcophagidae have fleshy appendages called pseudotracheae, which resemble bristles. Examples of sarcophagidae. Miltograminae, a subfamily that includes species known for their parasitic habits. Sarcophaga carnaria, a common and widespread species found in various habitats. Biology and ecology. Larval habits. Flesh fly larvae are scavengers and parasitoids, feeding on decaying organic matter or living invertebrates. Breeding sites. They breed in a variety of habitats, including carrion, dung, compost, and decaying vegetation. Economic importance. Forensic entomology. Flesh flies are valuable in forensic investigations to estimate time of death based on their presence and development on corpses. Ecological studies. Studying their presence on carrion can provide insights into the decomposition process and ecosystem dynamics. Decomposition and ecosystem services. Carrion recycling. Flesh fly larvae play a crucial role in carrion decomposition, recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem. Pollution indicators. Their presence on decomposing materials can indicate pollution levels in the environment. Forensic investigations. Postmortem interval estimation. The presence and development of flesh fly larvae on corpses aid in determining the approximate time of death. Ecological research. Decomposition studies. Flesh flies contribute to studies on decomposition rates, nutrient cycling, and ecological interactions. Medical and veterinary applications. Maggot therapy. Larvae of certain flesh fly species are used in maggot therapy to clean and promote wound healing. Parasitoid control. Some flesh fly species are used as biological control agents against pest insects, acting as parasitoids. Cultural and historical significance. Symbolism. Flesh flies have been featured in art and literature as symbols of decay, transformation, and mortality. Research and education. Entomological studies. Flesh flies serve as model organisms for understanding insect behavior, development, and interactions. Economic implications in pest control. Biological control. Certain flesh fly species can help control pest populations by acting as parasitoids of harmful insects. Pollution monitoring. Environmental health. Monitoring flesh fly presence on decomposing materials can provide insights into environmental pollution levels. In conclusion, sarcophagidae, or flesh flies, are ecologically important insects with roles in decomposition, disease control, and ecological studies. Their significance in forensic entomology and ecosystem functioning highlights their diverse impact on both natural and human-influenced environments. 10 diagnostic characteristics and examples, biology and 10 economic importance of simility. ChatGPT. Simility, characteristics, biology, and economic importance. Simility, commonly known as black flies, are a family of small insects with distinct characteristics and significant ecological and economic roles. These flies are found near aquatic habitats and have both positive and negative impacts on human activities. Here's an in-depth exploration of the diagnostic characteristics, examples, biology, and economic importance of simility. Diagnostic characteristics. Small size. Black flies are small insects, with body lengths ranging from 1 to 5 millimeters. Humpbacked appearance. Their thorax is often humpbacked or arched. Black or dark coloration. Most black flies have dark or black coloration. Examples of simility. Simulium vittatum, a common black fly species found in North America. Simulium damnosum, found in Africa and known for transmitting river blindness. Biology and ecology. Aquatic habitats. Black flies are associated with freshwater habitats, particularly fast-flowing streams and rivers. Larval stages. Larvae attach to rocks and other substrates in flowing water using specialized hooks and feed on organic matter and microorganisms. Pupation. Pupae are attached to substrates using silken threads before emerging as adults. Economic importance. Ecosystem services. Black flies are important in aquatic ecosystems, contributing to nutrient cycling and serving as food sources for other organisms. Disease transmission. Some black fly species are vectors of diseases, such as river blindness, onchocerciasis, in humans and livestock. Health impact. Disease transmission. Black flies can transmit pathogens that cause diseases like river blindness, which affects human health and productivity. Ecological significance. Aquatic ecosystems. Black flies are part of complex food webs in aquatic environments, providing food for various aquatic organisms. Disease control. Vector control. Efforts to control black fly populations can help prevent disease transmission and its associated health impacts. Water quality monitoring. Bioindicators. The presence and abundance of black flies can be used as indicators of water quality and ecosystem health. Research and education. Aquatic studies. Black flies are studied to understand their life cycles, behavior, and ecological roles in aquatic ecosystems. Negative impacts. Biting nuisance. Some black fly species are known for their painful bites, causing discomfort and annoyance to humans and livestock. Medical research. Disease studies. Research on black fly-borne diseases contributes to understanding disease transmission and developing prevention strategies. Economic impact on livestock. Livestock productivity. Black flies can cause stress and reduced productivity in livestock due to their biting behavior. Environmental indicators. Water quality. Black fly presence can indicate the health of freshwater systems, highlighting pollution levels and habitat degradation. In conclusion, simility, or black flies, have complex roles in aquatic ecosystems, contributing to nutrient cycling and being both beneficial and detrimental to human activities. Their significance in disease transmission underscores the importance of monitoring and managing their populations to prevent health issues in human and animal populations. 10 diagnostic characteristics and examples, biology and 10 economic importance of tipulity. ChatGPT. Tipulity, characteristics, biology, and economic importance. Tipulity, commonly known as crane flies, are a family of insects with distinct characteristics and varying ecological roles. These flies have both beneficial and nuisance aspects, making them important to ecosystems and human activities. Here's an in-depth exploration of the diagnostic characteristics, examples, biology, and economic importance of tipulity. Diagnostic characteristics. Long legs. Crane flies are known for their long and delicate legs. Slender body. They have a slender body and a distinct wing venation pattern. Long antennae. Their antennae are long and thread-like. Examples of tipulity. Tipula oleracea, a common species found in gardens and fields. Nephrotoma spp. Some species are known as daddy longlegs due to their leggy appearance. Biology and ecology. Habitat. Crane flies are found in various habitats, including grasslands, wetlands, and gardens. Larval stages. Larvae are often called leather jackets, and are found in soil or aquatic environments, where they feed on organic matter. Economic importance. Ecosystem services. Adult crane flies serve as pollinators, contributing to the reproduction of flowering plants. Larval feeding. Some crane fly larvae can be pests in lawns and gardens, feeding on plant roots. Pollination. Plant reproduction. Adult crane flies play a role in pollinating flowering plants, supporting plant reproduction and biodiversity. Gardening and agriculture. Pest control. Crane fly larvae can contribute to the control of certain weed species by feeding on their roots. Lawn and turf management. Larval feeding. Crane fly larvae can damage lawns by feeding on grass roots, leading to brown patches and reduced turf quality. Natural resource management. Biodiversity. Crane flies contribute to insect biodiversity, supporting ecosystem health and functioning. Insectivorous predators. Food source. Crane fly larvae are prey for various insectivorous animals, contributing to food webs. Educational value. Entomological studies. Crane flies are studied for their life cycles, behavior, and ecological interactions. Environmental awareness. Indicator species. Changes in crane fly populations can indicate shifts in ecosystem health and environmental conditions. Insect conservation. Habitat protection. Maintaining suitable habitats for crane flies supports insect diversity and conservation efforts. Recreational activities. Observation. Crane flies can be interesting subjects for observing insect behavior and ecology. Pest management. Larval control. In some cases, management practices may be implemented to control crane fly larvae in lawns and turf. In conclusion, tipulidæ, or crane flies, play multifaceted roles